Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be comparing two popular Wi-Fi systems, Google Nest Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco S4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. Both of these have gained a lot of popularity in recent times, so let's see how they perform in different categories. When it comes to coverage area, Google Nest Wi-Fi has a maximum range of 2,200 square feet, while TP-Link Deco S4 can cover up to 5,500 square feet with its 3-unit mesh system. So Deco S4 wins this category. Both systems offer fast and reliable Wi-Fi speeds, but Nest Wi-Fi can handle more devices, up to 200 connected devices, and stream multiple 4K videos simultaneously. On the other hand, Deco S4 promises incredibly fast AC 1200 speeds and supports wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds, so it's a tie between the two in this category. Deco S4 has robust parental controls that allow you to limit online time and block inappropriate websites according to unique profiles created for each family member. Though Nest Wi-Fi also comes with parental controls, they are not as advanced as those in the Deco S4. So Deco S4 wins in this category. Both Nest Wi-Fi and Deco S4 have a simple setup process thanks to their dedicated mobile apps. However, Deco S4 allows you to turn on or off guest Wi-Fi with Alexa voice commands, making it more convenient than Nest Wi-Fi. So Deco S4 wins this category as well. Google Nest Wi-Fi is available for $72 United States dollars, whereas TP-Link Deco S4 is priced at $109 United States dollars. Therefore, Nest Wi-Fi is cheaper when compared to Deco S4, so Nest Wi-Fi wins this category. That's it for today's comparison video. We hope this helped you make an informed decision while choosing the perfect Wi-Fi system for your home. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you in the next video.